Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to change a user's name or email address in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. This is super useful, for example, if an employee gets married, changes their name, or switches departments and needs a new email address. Let's get started. First, sign in using your Microsoft 365 admin account. That means the account with admin permissions, not a regular user account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Microsoft 365 Admin Center dashboard. Now on the left-hand side menu bar, click on Users, and then choose Active Users. Here you'll see a list of all users in your organization. Find the user whose name or email address you want to change. You can also use the search bar at the top to find them quickly. Click on the user's name to open their profile. For example, here I'll click on Adele Vance, one of the users in my list. This page shows all their account details like username, email, and roles. To change the display name, click on the Manage Contact Information. For example, I'll change the first name to John, and also change the display name to John Vance. Once you've made your updates, click Save Changes, and you'll see the new name appear right away. Now, to change the email address or sign-in name to the Aliases section, click on the Manage Username and Email. Here you can add a new alias. That means an additional email address for the same user. For example, I'll add a new alias like John Vance. Once added, you can also set this new email as the primary address if you want it to be the main sign-in email. When you're done, click Save Changes. Here, you can see the new alias email has been added successfully. Now to change or update an existing email address, simply click on the edit icon in front of the current email. Then, enter the new email address you want to use, and then click on the Done button. And finally, click on Save Changes to apply the updates. Now you can see that the user's name and email address has been changed successfully. Important note, the updates may take a few moments to reflect across all apps and services. And that's it. You've successfully updated the user's name or email address in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Copilot tutorials.